The biggest mistake new hikers make isn't underpacking. It's carrying 5 pounds of just-in-case gear that makes their first trip miserable. First, skip the stiff, heavy mountaineering boots. For 90% of beginner trails, your comfortable running shoes or trail runners offer better agility and fewer blisters because they don't require a painful break-in period. Stop buying 65-liter expedition backpacks for a 3-hour day hike. A partially empty large pack balances poorly on your back. Stick to a simple 20-liter day pack or even a sturdy school backpack you already own. You do not need a $400 alpine shell jacket for a sunny weekend walk. While avoiding cotton is important, a simple synthetic gym shirt and a basic fleece pullover work perfectly fine until you start tackling extreme weather conditions. Leave the tactical survival knives, hatchets, and solar chargers at home. These items add significant weight and are virtually useless on well-marked trails where your biggest risk is usually dehydration, not a wilderness survival scenario. Heavy gear has a compounding physical cost. Studies suggest that 1 pound on your feet equals 5 pounds on your back, meaning heavy boots drain your energy 5 times faster than a lightweight alternative. There is one rule you shouldn't break. Avoid denim jeans and heavy cotton sweatshirts. When cotton gets wet from sweat or rain, it stays wet and chills you rapidly, which is dangerous even in mild temperatures. Instead of spending your budget on gadgets, invest in good socks and enough water capacity. A merino wool sock prevents blisters better than any boot, and carrying 2 liters of water is the best safety gear you can own. Here is your decision checklist for your first 5 hikes. Buy the essentials on the left now, and wait until you have more experience before investing in the expensive items on the right. Pack skills, not just gear. See you on the trail.